No! My power!
No, did we ever find my
Put me in
remote?
the middle.
No.
Actually, if that's the case, I would have gone in the middle one time.
Tex, have you ever seen Good Morning Vietnam?
No.
I have.
Never have.
Oh, the can of Coke is
This week,
there.
Vatican City released a new bath product. That's right, Pope on a rope. Wash with it, go right to heaven.
Your skin will feel divine.
Wait.
Ha! That's right.
Look
Ow.
it, look it, love it, love it, love it.
That's right. Liberty is Anastasia.
I still love how my friend Anastasia is Puerto Rican. It's a Russian name. So it's like, what the hell?
Did you get lost?
No. Her mom, I think, did, though.
Ah. Oh, come on!
I just love the picture. Okay, but
The monkey is not quite in the middle anymore.
No, he's not. Actually,
I'm
it's more
at
like a
side 58
triangle.
degrees.
Your math fails.
you're hermaphrodite.
Slain by
I have a hermaphrodite.
Yes,
execution by
pants.
Tyrell. Thank you. You'd have a blindfold.
Megan has a hermaphrodite in her pants.
Wait, wasn't that a Saturday morning breakfast cereal?
Hermaphrodite in your pants?
Yeah.
Yes, that was.
My
Zach!
Ow.
Oh,
I really didn't get that one. It's
Oh,
more of like a
okay.
reaction.
With every buck stop you sent in, you got a free banana hammock.
Ew.
Don't kill me.
Why is it not working? There you go.
Nobody kills us.
Ah, no! That's a
Man fight!
foot! The raptor claw! Relax. They're in a sheath. You're fine.